Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Hyperpix, as you know, and my name is Navid Hosseini. I'm back with another Crim text effect. One of my favorite. I really love this. It has a glass looking surface and it will help you apply your text and logo to this beautiful text effect and without any knowledge in Photoshop. And all you gotta do is 5 minutes of your time to learn how you can apply this to your logo and your text. Download this right now, right here, hyperpix.net. Grab a premium account and download this and hundreds of other text effects. Okay, let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. In the new window, double click on the text layer and type whatever you want. There it is. How about that? Now, type the other text. You can actually change the fonts. It's totally up to you. No limits with that. You can change the size. You can position it where you want. It's totally free and it's easy to use. And there it is. I'm gonna resize it a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna give this less layer spacing. Okay, and yeah, there it is. We're good. Close the window and select yes. And there it is. Look at this beautiful surface and look at these details. I gotta really thank our designers. They did a great job with this one. Okay, let me show you how the other layers work so you can have this for your own. We got two other text layers here. You can change this text or you can disable it. Totally up to you. Okay, we got another line here. This is not a copyright. It's just for the visuals. You can remove this and you can delete this. It's totally up to you. Type whatever you want. Okay, we got sparkles. Sparkles are these shiny little things that you have to and you need to put them on the highlights of your text and the edges of your design so you can get a shiny and beautiful reflective surface and it's gonna look great at the end. I promise you that. Okay, position on the edges. There it is. Okay. You can just remove them or disable them, resize them. It's totally up to you. There it is. Okay, next one is styles, which contains the technical parts of our design. It's all the geeky stuff. So I recommend you just skip this one. Next one is the lights. There's light in the background, as you can see here. You can disable it, or you can double click on the FX icon and from the color overlay, you can change the color. Okay. You can have this as transparent as possible. All you gotta do is disable all layers and keep the styles. There it is. It's already looking good, right? And it really stands out and you can put it wherever you want, uses any project you want. And there it is. Let me show you how you can apply this to your logo, right? That's gonna be fun. And okay. From the edit content, on the yellow layer, select edit content, and now import your logo here. We got the Gucci. Put the Gucci here and position it in the middle and disable these two other text layers. There it is. Close the window and select yes. There it is. Beautiful and bold and proud. You can see here the details, this chrome looking effect. It's really working well on this. Okay. I'll put this, the edges and the highlights. Okay. There it is. That's our Chrome text effect. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and the result is beautiful. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net, get a premium account, and get access to this and hundreds of other text effects just like this one. Thanks for watching.